ish. Goon in my whip, cocaine got me flipping up my wrist. Goon on my ish.
Okay, we're back again for like the third attempt. Hurry up before something happens.
Can you like blow this up the other way? It feels nice, right? Yeah.
It's like 5 o'clock in the morning and my makeup is fading. Let's wrap this up. Like, get a nice view. Do you know how to record it? Because it's not recording. Okay, let me do it then. Ready?
Alright. Hold on.
Why did you say hold on? Ugh. You have one job, Tom. Whoa, first of all, let's cut out the belly. I said up here. That was just 5. And I'm not doing anymore. I'm not. That was like 5 baby puffs because my lungs can't do it. Do it one more time. Show the people that one more time.
This girl's trying to kill me.
Don't forget, 20 likes, 20 comments about his hair, and I'll cut it. You know, when I edit this, I'm gonna see. I still probably wouldn't even understand what you just said because I can't.
I'm gonna try and do 5 because I don't think I can do 10. Let's do this. To all my African brothers, because we don't back down.
No comment.
Alright, here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 seconds. I'm not counting, so I don't know. I forgot to count again. Why are you giving it to me?
That's why they call it the real puffy.
Nobody calls him that. Absolutely nobody. And if you are calling him that, please stop. I'm tired of hearing it. Please stop.
No, hey man. You know it's a cool nickname.
It's a what? It's a virus thing? What?
What the fuck?
Oh man, I don't want to switch.
Yes, is it a virus thing?
Shut up! Here, listen here, I'm not trying to get demonetized on here. You know, YouTube keeps hearing I locked down my video.
Oh, my lips are about to go numb again.
Tom, don't drill next to me. Guys, my makeup is still on and I'm ready to take this off and take this wig off also. It's a closure. The link will be down below. You know what I'm saying? Also, where's my necklace? My 1990 necklace. 1990 necklace. Get it on my site. You know what I'm saying? Not this necklace. This is from Forever 21. And my sweater that I made. So cute, right? If you guys know any other weed related videos, comment that down below and let me know, and we might just try it out. No, we will try it out. We are going to try it out. Oh, that was a hit. That would hit me. See, I can never get my smoke like that because my lungs could never. My lungs will be like, bitch, and punch me, and I'll be choking.
I told you guys, this girl's trying to kill me. The thing with the hair. She said she's gonna get the clippers. I think she's gonna get scissors.
I could never use scissors on that top head.
I don't know what she's gonna do with the scissors.
Give me.
She ready to try to burn me?
Oh my god, it was an accident, you guys. Nobody saw that.
Attempted murder. Recorded.
Edited.
We have so much power.
Tomorrow is the official day of 420. 420 starts tomorrow. Hopefully this is edited and instead of me saying tomorrow. Today is 420. Today is 420. 4/1/2020. Yeah. Because it's the 1st of April. It's not 420 yet. But it is because it's the 4th month in 2020. Year 2020. 4/1/20. Month, day, year.
We do the British way.
That's the Canadian way. That's the way. I'm glad you know.
The Canadian way is the American way.
No, it's not.
Yeah, exactly.
No, they do the day, then the month, and the year. Just keep it. Why are you passing me that little thing? Look at, show them. Look at what he's trying to pass me. You can't even see it. You can't even see it. Just so I can pass him this little thing.
I can't believe myself.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay guys, I'm done. So that's the end of the video. Did you enjoy yourself, Tom?
Always.
Anyways, if you like this video, comment down below because I'm going to keep saying it until you guys do. Don't forget, if I get 20 likes and 20 comments down below, I get to cut Tom's hair up. Show your hair because he swears his hair is the nicest. Look at this African. You can even see from far this tough thing on his head.
Man, whatever.
This Brillo pad.
Remember what she said on the other video? Yeah.
What did I say?
Remember what she said about African people?
Oh man, I forgot to go back. Listen here, his hair is it's not because Africans have nappy hair. His hair is just African people got beautiful hair. Everybody got beautiful hair. Your hair is just, that's why I need to cut it.
Yeah, this girl be hated. You trying to kill me? You see? With the scissors again. No.
I can't wait.
We'll see.
Don't forget, 20 likes and 20 comments. Listen here, let's wrap this thing up. It's like we keep telling them to buy it and it's not
my face looks lit, man.
It's like he dozed off for a second. But I don't think I can do it. It's done. The video's over. I just need to get up and stop recording.
Yeah, people are getting up right now.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. You told me to say bye. I said bye.
Oh my god.
Coon on my whip, cocaine got me flipping up my wrist. Coon on my ish, coon in my whip, cocaine got me flipping up my